If you need help with your V sound, that's okay. Check out my video before we get started. Go there first. Let's practice with phrases with R sound as the first sound that we hear in one of the words. Repeat after me. Healthy vegetables. Vanilla fudge. Bad virus. Vintage magazines. Purple violet. Valentines Day. Ivy vine. Vampire bite. One vote. Volkswagen van. Let's practice with our sound as the middle or medial sound in one of our words. In the phrase, copy me. Silver dime. Surfing waves. Rake leaves. White gloves. Woven rope. Movie scene. Hot oven. Oval frame. Moving truck. Heavy weights. Let's practice with our phrases and our sound as the last sound we hear in one of our words. Repeat after me. Scuba dive. White dove. Five points. Yellow beehive. Positive quote. Drive-through order. Garlic clove. Give presents. No sleeve. Stove top. Very good. I'm proud of you. Keep up the good work. I'll see you soon. Bye.